Born and raised in Wisconsin, Chippewa Falls to be exact, and reside in Green Bay, Wisconsin. Been there for since about 75, and recently moved down to Raleigh, North Carolina.
What prompted you to move to Raleigh, North Carolina?
You're getting kind of personal. No, I had the opportunity. I wanted to be very honest with you. I've been in winter for 60 years, and I wanted to go south. And I had the opportunity to go down to Raleigh because of somebody else, and this business allows me to do that. Pick up roots and expand my business elsewhere. One of the great opportunities of this company.
Sounds like a good enough opportunity to move, as far as I'm concerned.
Yeah.
Tell us the story on how this opportunity has enhanced your lifestyle.
Well, I started with the company when I was 48 years old, and been in sales, from the time I've been 25 until present. And I've had my own business. Was a manufacturer's rep for years. Became part of a manufacturing facility with another person. And, anyone who is in sales always thinks that they're successful and they're on the right track, and there's not too many people much better than they are. And the interesting thing that I found out when I joined maintenance engineering, the way that their training program is set up, the way they do things, it's the difference between night and day. How I have blossomed and grown in the last 10 years with maintenance engineering prior to that is astronomical.
Excellent. Well, maintenance engineering prides itself on having the best product out there. Now, give us some of your thoughts about maintenance engineering's products.
I can give you a specific thing. In fact, I brought it with me because I find this very interesting and very intriguing. As you're well aware of, I've done a lot of training for maintenance engineering, and over the years had the opportunity to go in a lot of different places. But in 2001, I was down in Sheboygan, Wisconsin, training a person. We opened up the town of Wilson with 72 light bulbs. Now this is 2001. The rep had since left. I went back to train another guy in February of 2009. Okay, 8 years later. We wrote up a new order for the town of Wilson, $683. We checked their inventory. They hadn't lost one of the 72 light bulbs from 2001. And I'm waiting on an order right now for about $700 from them because they're going to put some new lamps into their into a warehouse and stuff.
Was the customer aware of the fact that none of those light bulbs had burned out?
Absolutely. Same guy that I worked with in 2001 is still there. I'm working with him today. I mean, it's just testament. And they put these things in industry standard ballast, which is even more testament to what our product does.
Excellent, excellent. What sales and or maybe some personal accomplishments have you been able to attain during your career here at ME?
Well, from a financial standpoint, financial stability, great. The opportunity to work hand in hand with maintenance engineering in their training department, training program, to have the ability to go out and work for them, represent them in the training atmosphere, train people for them. I always feel that that a person should be able to give back to anything, to their community, to their business, however they can, and I find that through the training department as well.
Okay. What advice could you offer a young representative just beginning their career here at Maintenance Engineering?
I think the most important thing, Ken, is when I started in this business, again, going back and thinking I'm the best at what I do, there's no one better. You try to buck the system, and you try to do it your way. Well, it wasn't until 18 months after I'd been here that I finally said, you know, maybe I should try it their way a little bit. And when I did, my life changed instantly. If people would do it the way that it's supposed to be done from the get-go, listen to the coordinators, listen to their trainers, and do it that way, they're guaranteed success. Guaranteed. All they have to do is go out and knock on doors and work.